And welcome to my bathroom. All right, so I washed my hair last night, and I don't really ever blow my hair dry, so I washed it and conditioned it last night, and when I got up, I went to bed with my hair damp. I got up and it looks like this. So it's very wavy. I do have naturally wavy hair. If in any of my videos my hair looks straight, it's either because my hair has become more straight because it's not clean, or I got frustrated with it and I got my straightener out and I straightened some portions of my hair. But let's get into what I use for my hair. So right now I'm using Avalon Organics lavender shampoo and the partner conditioner in lavender. Shampoo's nice. Conditioner, I don't like it at all. It's like the consistency of sour cream. I might as well be putting sour cream on my hair. I don't like it at all. So I went out and I purchased an Old Faithful, very inexpensive Suave Tropical coconut conditioner. And this is okay, but I'm mixing the lavender conditioner with this, and I literally will have 2 palmfuls of conditioner in my hair. I like to have a lot of conditioner in my hair, a lot of slick, so that my fingers can go through it with ease, and I feel like my hair is being nourished with that. So one thing I do before I get in the shower to wash my hair is I have always tended to lose quite a bit of hair in the shower. It's been like that since I was a teenager. So what I usually will do to try to minimize that is I'll come to the sink beforehand, and I never just comb my hair and just let it fall on the floor. I always do it over the sink. So I will use my wide tooth Conair comb, and I'll comb through my hair first. Or I like to use my fingers and just, do it over the sink before I get in the shower to wash my hair. It really does help with the loss of hair. And then I also found another method for washing my hair. So, you go to the salon and you get that wonderful massage for like 2.5 minutes, and that's wonderful and everything. But the sink, when they finish with my hair, is full of, it's like a nest of my hair in the sink. So what I do is I put my shampoo in my hands, and I use my, this part, and I will literally just go along my head like this, or I'll take my fingertips and just like this. I don't go like this. I'll be losing hair all the time if I did that. And then I rinse my hair out very carefully, and then I put the conditioner in. Like I said, I use a lot of it. And then I have a claw clip that I keep in the shower, and then I put my hair up. For the time it takes me to wash my body and do any shaving, that's how long the conditioner stays in my hair. Rinse it off, get out of the shower. So then once I'm toweled off, I will take my microfiber cloth towel. I've had this for about 25, maybe 27 years. It was a stocking stuffer from my mom. And although it looks dingy, it doesn't. I've dyed my hair plenty at home, and sometimes it's not easy to get all the dye out of your hair. So I promise this is clean. It might not look like it, but I'll leave that. My toweled hair will be up. Oh, I comb it first. I comb through it, then I put the towel up. 10 minutes, I take it down, and then I'm using this right now. I've had this for about 2 years, maybe. Redken Frizz Dismiss. It's like a tame cream, and it has 450-degree heat protection too. But I'm basically using this to finish it up because I will not buy this again. There's nothing wrong with it. I'm just not one of those people that buys salon products for my hair. But this I will put in my hair after I remove this towel, and then I let my hair air dry. And so last night I removed the towel, I put this product in, and then I went to bed. And so when I get up in the morning, my hair is like, sometimes there's little ringlets in the front, but like I said, my hair is naturally wavy, so it kind of just has a mind of its own. My hair does look dry and it looks thin, but it's not as thin as you might think. It's very fine. My hair is very fine and it's dry. So, you know, there's always that disappointing sound when you take your hair and you put it up by your ear and you just hear this crunch. It's dry. And so my hair's going through a lot of changes, mostly because of everything that I've done to it. I've done a lot of coloring. I've used some natural home bleaches, things like using honey and peroxide and baking soda and crushing up vitamin C tablets and stuff like that, and using regular bleach that you buy at Sally's. My hair's just gone through a lot. So I am in the middle of my gray hair journey for the 3rd time. So when all of this grows out, I won't be coloring or dyeing my hair anymore. So I'm kind of excited to see what's going to happen with my hair and what the overall integrity of my hair is going to be. And speaking of integrity, so I'm going to take one of my hairs out of the sink. I'm going to just show you. You can see this hair. I've got a hair. I'm going to wrap it carefully around 2 fingers if I can. And won't do it. Yeah, it just breaks. You probably heard that little snap. So the integrity of my hair is not great. So I try, the less I do to my hair, the better. I do only wash my hair once a week. That might not seem like it's often enough, but it is for me. I can even go a little longer than that, but I used to do Bikram yoga when I was in Florida, and I did that nearly every day. And so I'd have to go home and wash the sweat out of my hair, but I would only use the conditioner in my hair with just a little bit of shampoo. I'd work that through and rinse my hair out. But that was me, you know, having to get in the shower every single day and do something with my hair because I was just sweating profusely in a Bikram yoga class, so I had to do something with my hair. But if you look at my hair right now from the back, you'll see it looks okay right now. I'm probably not wearing the right colored shirt for you to see, but I'm gonna stop the comb about where my hair should be. This is about the length that my hair really should be at all times, because what's below the comb, this looks thin and fine. It's what I call fringe. It does nothing for the length of my hair. It doesn't look attractive. It doesn't really add any length to my hair. It's just crap hair, the last few inches, and it needs to be cut off. So sometimes I'll have my boyfriend cut that portion of my hair off when I start to get kind of tired of it. But you know, it is what it is. Plus I'm going through a lot of changes being over 50 and having gone through menopausal states. I am in menopause right now, so some things are changing, and I will make a video about that too. But just to show you some of the things that I use in my hair. At work I have to have my hair back, so I only use elastics that don't have any metal, no beads, no extras on them. Basic elastics. I really like combs that I put in my hair. I will show you how I use these in another video, but you know, I have some smaller clips that I use too. The real tiny little clips, I have those and I use those in my hair. But that's about it for my hair care routine. It doesn't seem like much, but it is my routine for now, and it will change. It does change periodically. So thank you for tuning into this one, and stay tuned for another video, and like and subscribe if you haven't already, and be well and try to have a great day. All right, take care.